A nice feature of the Robotics Cobot Welder is that we actually build in approach points and depart points for you. But if there are instances where you're going to collide with a part or a clamp or a fixture, you can add air moves to go around that before you start welding. So let's set up some air moves. So I select that second icon there. It says Teach Air Moves, and we're going to teach these the same way we would any of those other weld points we taught. So let's grab the puck here, that green button, and then we're going to come straight up first to go around an obstruction. And I'll click that blue button. You can add as many of these in a row as you want. So I'll do 3 before we go down to the part here. And then let's set up that first linear weld. All right, and then we'll hit save, and then hit play. And so before it goes to do that linear weld, you're going to see it do that sequence of air moves to avoid the obstruction.